Hi, welcome back to my channel What Science Says. In this video, we know benefits and how to use onion juice on hair. While onion is usually known for its strong smell, it may be timed that it's known for something else. It helps in hair care. Researchers have found that the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of onions may help you grow your hair or enhance its healthy appearance. The first one encourages the hair growth. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Drug Delivery and Therapeutics took a look at the onion's ability to improve hair growth. The study's researchers created an onion shampoo by gathering 100 grams of fresh onion bulbs, cutting them into small pieces, using a food processor to chop the onion into even smaller parts, filtering the onion extract by pouring the chopped onion over a muslin cloth. They then added the onion extract to a natural shampoo of coconut, castor, and other types of oils as well as cleansers. They found when applied to skin for 5 minutes, the mixture didn't irritate the skin. They also found that the onion shampoo provided more nutrients and better nourishment to hair follicles, moisturized dry hair and scalp, promoted hair growth. The second one, to reverse the graying of hair. The idea behind this home remedies is that onions contain an antioxidant compound called catalase that helps reduce hydrogen peroxide at the hair roots. This is thought to keep the hair from turning gray. The third one, to moisturize and revitalize dry, brittle hair. Onions contain many compounds that may help to enhance the dry, damaged hair. Examples include flavonoids. These have anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, and vasodilatory properties that help promote blood flow to the scalp. The fourth one, to calm a dry, itchy scalp. Onions' anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe an itchy scalp. You can also combine onion extract with other natural ingredients to calm your scalp. The fifth one, to treat alopecia. Alopecia areata is a hair condition that causes hair loss in patches. A 2014 study of 38 people tested the effectiveness of using onion juice to treat alopecia. The researchers had one group of the people apply onion juice to their scalp twice a day, while a control group applied tap water. After 6 weeks, 86.9% of those who applied onion juice noticed more hair growth. Only 13% of the tap water group noted hair growth. To quell dandruff, onion juice has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which is why some natural health experts advocate for its an infection treatment. These all are the benefits. Now comes to some of the cons. Possible side effects of using onions on your skin. Using onions on your skin isn't a good idea if you are already allergic to onions you eat. Treating clear may help you avoid further allergic reactions. Also, if you have sensitive skin, it's possible that onion juice could irritate it. The key is not to leave it too long. This means keeping it done overnight is a no-no if you do happen to have sensitive skin or a sensitive scalp. As with any product or treatment, if onion extract irritates you, stop using it. What's the conclusion? You can use onions to improve your hair in lots of ways. These include reducing dandruff and potential promoting the hair growth. When you are feeling crafty or experimental, try some of the dye onion hair create recipes and see if you can recap onion's hair boosting effects. This is it for today. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have any doubts, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to this and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.